Hi everyone, and welcome to Belinda's DIYs. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Dollar Tree pegboards. Okay, so I wanted to show you this chalkboard that I've had already for a while. I haven't used it, so I thought about just putting my pegboards on it. And the reason being is because, first of all, I'm not comfortable using that sticky glue that those tabs come with. I'm afraid that it's gonna damage my freshly painted walls, so I'd rather not use them. So by using this frame chalkboard, I can move it in different walls if I want to, or different rooms. Now to start off my pegboard system, I picked up 4 of these larger pegboards. And I also picked up some adhesive cord sheets. Now I do want to add these to my chalkboard. I'm also going to be using these shelves that go with the pegboard system. My Dollar Tree doesn't have a lot of items yet, so that's why there isn't a lot of things that I'm going to be putting on my pegboards. I also picked up these hooks. And these are the tabs that I was talking to you about, or anchors, I don't know what to call them, but these are the ones that go behind the pegboard so that you can attach them to a wall. Okay, so here I'm gonna go ahead and place them where I want my pegboards to be on my chalkboard. And just some ideas, you can also use an old picture frame that you might have that you don't use, and it's large enough to maybe create a really nice pegboard system. I've been using mine already for a few days, and let me tell you, I am really enjoying it because it has everything that I need right at my fingertips. Okay, so here I'm just showing you those tabs, and as you can see, it also has 2 holes so that you can also use some nails if you'd like, but I also didn't want to do that because I felt I was going to be making too many holes on my wall. So that was another reason why I didn't want to put these pegboards directly on my wall. So here I'm just putting them into the back side of my pegboard, and they just snap right on. Now for these 2 bottom pegboards, I'm only going to use 2 of those tabs on the top side because the bottom is going to rest on the frame of the chalkboard. And now I'm going to add those sticky glue tabs. And now I'm just going to peel off the tape. And now I'm ready to place my first pegboard. Now I'll be following the same steps to the rest of the pegboards. Now for the top pegboards, those are going to have the 4 anchors or tabs or whatever they're called. And this is how it's looking so far. In the future, I will be adding 2 more pegboards. Next, I'm going to be adding the adhesive cork sheet, and I'm going to be placing it there on the side. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would hope that you would do so. Then I hung my chalkboard on the wall, and then I started to put everything together. I really love how all this turned out. Let me know what you think and what you would have done differently. Now I love these shelves because I'm able to keep some of my paints, my brushes, and I really love those round hooks because I'm able to hang my glue guns. Although I only use 4 of the pegboards, I think that I was able to hang enough of the items that I use on a daily basis for my projects. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.